Alright, let's be real. Somewhere in a dimly lit Slack channel, a product manager just muted the customer success team. Again.
And somewhere in a parallel universe, a CS team actually believes the product team reads their 20-page customer feedback reports.
Oof, shots fired. But let's talk about it. Why do CS and product feel like feuding siblings when honestly they need each other?
Because product thinks CS delivers, you know? And CS thinks product just builds cool stuff no one really asked for.
Exactly. But here's the kicker: companies that actually integrate CS into product development see what? Double the speed of product adoption and what? Like a 30% drop in churn.
30% reduction? Yep, it's a massive difference. So why are we still in silos?
I'll tell you why. Because alignment meetings turn into therapy sessions. And let's face it, product teams treat their roadmaps like sacred texts. CS treats an escalation email the same way, a deeply personal investment.
It's true. But let me say this, your product isn't just what you build, it's what customers actually use. And more importantly, love. CS is right there, day in and day out, seeing what works and what doesn't.
Okay, fine, agreed. But then tell me, smart guy, how does CS actually get product to listen? Because, and let's be honest here, saying, hey, our top 10 customers are struggling is, oh, never gonna make it past the backlog.
You're spot on. The way to cut through the noise is simple. Stop whining, start proving. Don't just say, customers need this. Show them the churn risks tied to missing features, friction metrics for product adoption. Even the dollars at stake from not fixing something.
Boom, data. We love data. But hold on. Product also has a part to play. Stop seeing CS like it's tech support. Start treating them like partners, co owners of the customer experience.
Exactly. Imagine if product and CS shared a success metric, say customer retention. Suddenly, CS isn't just shouting into the void, and product stops creating features that flop on arrival.
Oh man, I love it. So we're saying the future isn't product led or CS led, it's customer outcome led.
Yes, and that's where the magic happens. Collaboration is how you win together, or frankly, you lose alone.
Okay, fine. I might unmute the CS Slack channel. Maybe.
And that, my friend, is progress.
Alright, folks. How does your company handle CS product collaboration? Is it a war zone or are you living the dream team life? Hit us up with your stories.
And remember, if we don't fix this collaboration problem, your customers will find someone who will.
And that is a roadmap no one wants. See you next time on CS Conversations.